was telling it to stop messaging me.
Okay, perfect. So my brother just try to put all this stuff that give you problem, and I'll come back and
these are the stuff that give you problems. I wrote it down here, but
okay.
I'm finding now in the book.
Okay.
Algebraic fractions. So yes, products.
Okay. Something stuck here. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
This is algebraic fractions.
Okay.
So you start off with that first.
So this one and that. So this is more of the explanation and another stuff.
And then it's this is the stuff that I'm struggling a little with.
Okay.
But the rest is just integers and things like that.
Explanation too.
Yeah.
So what about this? Okay.
So I'll just get to a clean page here.
Speed, because we want to do this and I can even teach you guys programming for probably 20 minutes. Only if you interested. Or I can teach her.
I'm interested. No, it's my turn.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so here. I bought the book especially for this.
Okay, cool.
So clean pages.
So go back to that page and then we take some pictures.
Okay.
It has to be the same sign. The sign that you're gonna put here, it has to be the same. Or did you make mistake here?
Yes, made a mistake.
Okay.
Here, dude.
Okay, cool.
Okay, cool.
Okay, this one right?
No, it starts right here.
Okay, when you finish, let me know.
Okay.
That's fine. So another problem. The problem is it's more the factorize.
Yeah.
So when somebody say factorize, for example, if you have a 3, I'm gonna show you very simple ways, my brother.
Okay.
Right? Cool. Somebody say 4x squared. Let's say minus 2xy. When you factorize, you take anything which is common for both.
Okay.
But for the most case, take the smallest one. Take the smallest one. So let's start for the numbers. Let's say this is y over 4. So always start with the smallest one. So look something which is common. So we have a number and number. Let's start with the number.
Okay.
So between 4 and 2, which is smaller?
2 is smaller.
So you take these two out.
Okay.
When you take out mathematics, like when you take these two out, like divide everything by 2.
Okay.
When you factor out, like divide by everything by 2. So we start with the number. So 4 divided by 2 is going to be 2, and this 2 divided by 2 is going to be 1.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yes, I'm with you.
So you look at the number, you say, okay, what's the smallest number? My smallest number is 2. For the numbers, 5 numbers. So take that small number out. When you take out the number, means you're going to have to divide by that number throughout the number. So divided by 4 divided by 2, 2, and 2 divided by 2 is going to be equal to 1. In the middle we have a negative. So now go for the letter. Between x squared and x, which is bigger? Which is smaller? Apology.
That's
X.
smaller.
So you take this one out.
Okay.
But when you take out, like you divide everything by that letter which went out.
Okay.
But for the x now, right? So I have a x squared divided by x. What happened? This and this?
Cancel.
So you're going to be left with what? With
X.
But this side is x divided by x, which is going to give us 1. So it's like 1 times another 1. So let's go for the last one. So this is y power 4 and this is y. Which is going to go out?
Yeah.
Which one you're going to take out? Y power 4 y.
You're going to take this one.
Because smaller. So when you take this out, here you're going to be left with 1. Because it's going to be, when you take out, like divide everything by that letter. Yeah. So it's like 1 divided by y. So which is going to give us equal to 1 again. Now
1.
This y4 divided by y is going to be equal to y3.
Okay.
Do you know that?
Yeah.
So it's going to be y what? y3 and this final answer.
Okay.
So you're going to say 2xy, and then we got 2xy cubed minus 1.
Okay, I see.
You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of waves, but I want to show you how wave is going to come out. You're always going to be able to handle. See, just a second, let me check out where. Okay. So let's see. So Monday. So let's start with Monday. So Monday, how did you say? Monday is going to be 15.
I have to pee.
No problem. Monday is going to be 15, and this is going to be 2. Perfect. Now you're going to go for the second one, which is Tuesday, which is 7. Yeah, this is 7. Perfect. And then another one's going to be 9. You got it. Okay. Wednesday. These got to be attached to one another. It shouldn't be space in between. Okay. Should not be what? Space in between. So you go. This is going to be 18. 18, and this is gonna be 12. 8 and 12. 8 is here. This is wrong. It's 8 and 12. You know what I'm saying? So this should not be in here. Okay, 16. The face on. No, it is 16. Look, 16 is here. Can you see? Okay, and the last one, 19. This one agree. 19 and 15. So correct this one, correct that one. Use the blue pen.
You guys need some water?
I think I'm fine for now. Yes, yeah. Push face.
Good.
We'll come back and get some water. Yeah. Did you understand?
Yeah.
So that's how you factor. Right.
Yes.
You get everything is common throughout for all of them. Okay. So another thing. Did you understand? So
Yeah.
another thing. So somebody give you 1/4 k squared y minus 1/2 k power 7 y power 6 and this y power 3. So the same game. So the same game, right?
Yeah.
You start with the numbers. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Between 1/4 and 1/2, which is smaller?
102?
It's 1/2.
Yeah.
Okay. So between 1/4 and 1/2, which is bigger, which is smaller? Nayeemah. Between 1/4 and 1/2, which is bigger?
1/2.
This is a half. A half is bigger. This is quarter.
Oh,
What is too
okay,
small?
cool.
So I'm saying, so quarter is too small. So since this is small, it has to go out. So you take 1/4, and we know the game. When you take out, means you have to divide everything by 1/4. So 1/4 divided by 1/4 is going to be equal to 1, and 1/2 divided by 1/4. Take a calculator. Calculator.
You have one?
It's going to be half. Oh, you don't have a calculator.
You
which
have
Which is going to be half.
I wake up now. I woke up like just now. So you came early today.
Which is going to be a half too.
Yeah.
So sorry, that's the calculator here. Check our calculator. So did you correct your mistake? Okay.
Yes.
Let me give you 1. Okay, we got a question here. Okay, which one is? Okay, do this one. It's the same stuff, right?
In Instagram.
Okay. No, they say draw. Read the question. You gotta read your question. Read your question. How did I say? Okay, let's go. Draw it back. Don't worry about the stuff. Read it back. So, just want to check the calculator.
You know that's name?
Okay. So you're gonna do the same thing, same game.
Wednesday.
Okay, so plug in calculator. So you're gonna say 1/4 divided by 1/4. We're gonna get to 2. 1. Now we check what? Half divided by 1/4.
Divided by what?
Okay. Do what you see. Do what you see. What do you see here? Excuse me. What do you see the face on?
1/4.
Divided by which went out? Because 1/4 and 1/2. You know what I'm saying? Which is smaller? 1/4. And if you're not sure, sometimes you can check. You say 1 divided by 4. Give the answer. And then put in SD 0.2.
Yeah.
5, right? And they say 1/2 and see what's going to give it. So which is bigger? Which is it? Bigger, right?
Bigger, yeah.
So we're going to have to take the smaller one, which is 1/4. So we divide. When you factor out, means you're going to have to divide throughout, right? So 1/4 divided by 1/4 is going to be equal to 1.
Yeah.
So you go what? 1/2 divided by?
1/4.
Yeah, the number which one? 1/4. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So 0.5. You know, say 1/2 means 0.5. Divided by 1/4, which is going to give us all? 1,8. Just one fraction. It's going to be this fraction. It's going to be what?
1,8.
Do we have it? Negative. So now we go for letter.
Yeah.
Taking a video there. So
Yeah, I see.
So now we go for what for? For letter. So
Yeah.
what is our letter? It's k squared.
It's K.
So we're gonna have to do. We have a k squared and k7. Which one we're gonna take out?
You're gonna take the smallest.
The smallest one, which is what? K squared. So
K
k
squared.
squared is gonna come out here.
Yeah.
And then we take k squared. What that mean? What we have to do if you take out anything?
What does it mean if you have to take out
Yeah,
anything?
or what we have
you have
to
to do the same to the inside.
When you take out, you have to divide each
Okay.
member by that letter.
Okay.
Just like when you take 1/4 out and then divide by 1/4. So now we go for the letter. We take the smallest one. Well, the smallest one is k squared. So k squared go out. So it means you're gonna have to divide here and here by k squared. So we're gonna say what? K squared divided by k squared. All the time when you take out, you have to divide respectively.
Okay.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah.
You have to divide. Do you understand or no?
Yeah, I
So
understand.
k squared divided by k squared equal to another 1.
Okay.
Or k7 divided by k squared, what you gonna get? Try k7 divided by k squared.
Okay, 7 divided by. Fit some.
No
something.
problem, no
That's,
problem.
that's 3.
Oh, no.
And then 1 is left.
So no. So what you do when the base are the same, you only write. You see, these are the same. You
Yeah.
write k, take the top power minus the bottom. So
Okay.
7 minus 2, which is gonna be equal to 5. That's how you divide.
Oh, okay,
Do you
cool. I
understand
see,
what
I see.
So if you have, let's say m 3, let's say divided by m what? M 2. So how are you gonna say these bases are the same? So you're gonna say what? M 3
Equals
minus 2 equal to
1.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah, I understand. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah.
So if somebody give, let's say t power 4 divided by t power 1, so how would you do that? Don't shake.
I'm not shaking.
When you shake it,
Ah,
also
okay.
yeah. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yeah.
So the powers are the same. The letters are the same.
Mm-hmm.
Equals to, then they minus each other.
Top minus at the bottom. Always.
Top minus the bottom equals to 3.
Yeah, so that's how I'm saying. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah.
Always. Okay, so we're gonna do the same game here. So it's k what? K7 divided by k 2.
Two.
So we're gonna say k what? K7 divided by k
2
2. So how are you gonna say that? So that's gonna be
equals to k 5.
k5. So in this case here, we're gonna have when you divide by k square, which went out is gonna be k what? K
5.
5. Now we do the same game for y6
Oh,
and
okay.
y3. But which one we're gonna check out?
I'm gonna take the smallest one first.
The smallest one. So which is gonna be y3.
Three.
When you check out y3, what we're gonna do then?
We're gonna have to divide
Each one.
divide
of those
each one.
Okay, let me see how you're gonna divide.
As y6.
No, do here.
Oh, okay, my bad. So it's gonna be y6 over y3. The letters are the same. Equals to y3.
Very good. So on the y6 is gonna be y3. Okay, now you come here, and it's gonna be what? Each
Say
side.
again.
This
Each
side
side.
and that side also do the same thing.
Oh, do the same thing.
Don't write. You need to do what you did here. You have to do that side.
Okay. y6.
You need to look what you have, right? It's not all the time on y6.
Yeah.
What you have there.
Is y3.
Okay, you divide by
Divide
whatever
by.
went out.
Yeah.
Okay, so when did you go out?
Say again.
Okay. You see here, when you factor out the smallest one, each of these y you must divide by this one.
Okay. So I must divide y3 over y3.
Yes.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, that's a rule. Simple as that.
Okay.
Which is going to give you to, if somebody give you zubeir
Okay.
divided by zubeir, what you going to get? 1. It's the same thing. 5 divided by 5 or 1. Whenever you divide a similar thing, doesn't matter how to look,
Okay.
the answer is going to be equal to 1. Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand it.
So if somebody give you, so now divide, let me see how we're going to divide. So you're going to say,
So y3 over y3
and you're going to get,
equals to y1.
I want you to think a little bit, right?
No, wait,
Wrong.
isn't it?
Listen. So sorry, shut you down.
That's cool.
Try to take your time and let her think you don't think, let me know, okay?
So
when you divide same thing equal to 1.
okay.
Okay? When you divide the same thing, it doesn't matter how it look, equal to 1. So y3 over y3 equal to 1.
Okay.
y3 divided by y3. What is the answer?
y3 divided by y3 equals to 1. Yes.
Okay?
So is that right?
Say what you say is what you write. y3 divided by 3 equal to?
y3 divided by y3 equals to y1.
Try to get, okay. Nayeemah, when you divide similar things, you get equal to 1, right? If you say 5 divided by 5, you're going to get equal to 1. If you take k divided by k, you're going to get equal to 1. As long as the same thing, it doesn't matter how it look. If it's similar, the answer is only 1. Okay? So you nayeemah, right? Nayeemah over nayeemah. What you going to get? 1. So as long as they look the same, please. Okay. y5 divided by y5, the answer equal to 1. So as long as he is the same. So this one, another one, y3 divided by y3, the answer equal to 1.
Okay,
So
so this
you
one's
provide
equals to
other
1. Okay, I see.
Simple is that. Okay. Now let's go y3 divided by 3. Okay. So
Equals to
now
1.
here you're gonna write your answer equal to
1.
yes.
Just y.
Write what you say. Don't write other stuff. She gave you the answer now.
So should I write it here? So it equals to 1. I write it on top. I'm just trying to figure out because
Try to do what you're taught. Do you understand what I'm saying? Nayeemah. Y3 divided by 3 equal to? Divided by Y3. The answer is 1. What you want to write now? Your answer is 1. Don't write another stuff. Just simple is there. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you going to write there?
1.
Yes. Other stuff don't write, please.
Okay,
It's just 1 simple is there.
Okay.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So sometimes you gotta try to keep yourself organized. Simple is there. You need to follow the rules. Okay. So your answer is 1. So what you have here? 1/8, and then next one.
Next
Say all
one.
you have there. What do you see? What do you have there?
That's 1/8.
And then
And then 1/4.
here, only this other one.
Can you repeat the question?
Okay, very good. Just say what you see here.
1/8. K to the power of 5 and y1. And y and then 1.
Zubeir. Where did you get Y from?
Where did I get y from?
Because you waste a lot of time because you're careless. Naeemah has been said the same thing over and over and over and over. Where did you get Y from?
Where did I get y from?
There's no Y. The answer is only 1 simple is there. Okay, if you don't say, let me know. Okay? But you need to refuse make mistake over and over. She been saying it.
Okay, but that's why I'm confused. So
Where did you get Y from? There's no Y there. You understand
there
what I'm
was a
saying?
y there. That
Where
made
did
me
it come
confused. There's no y.
Okay. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah.
So you gotta keep that in mind.
Okay.
It's a simple concept, okay? So that's what you have.
Yes,
So then
I
after
understand.
that, what you do say, you multiply this because when you have your number, you multiply normal.
Okay.
So what you have there?
What's 1? What's 1? 1 times 1 equals 1
Times.
times y to the power of 3.
So the final answer is
1 y to the power of 3.
just 1 to the power. You don't
Okay.
If somebody say 1 times 8, you don't say 1 times 8. Just say
Okay.
just 8. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So your answer is going to be what? Y power 3. You ignore those 1.
Okay.
Unless if it's other number, then they're going to have to write the number. So the
Okay.
answer is going to be y power 3. Now you come here, it's going to be minus. And then what you're going to have here?
1 to the power of 8.
Okay, 1/80.
Yeah.
And then
K to the power of 5.
get your power 5.
Yeah, I'm not really sure if you must write 1.
You
or
gotta
not.
think now. I say you gotta force
Okay, okay.
to write, you don't write.
No.
No. You
Yeah.
understand? It's a simple concept.
Yes.
Okay, this is very important. You see, that's why I let Naeemah say so that you can remember. It's very simple concept. You do what you see. Know what I'm saying? Very
Okay.
good. So here is what? 1/4 KY power Q. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, let me give you one. Did you understand or not?
Yeah, I'm
Should I do some more or you fine?
just 1 more.
Okay. There's no mark here. That's wrong. You gotta mark your stuff. You know what I'm saying? So now we go right. Let's say 1/3 t power 2 n power 80 minus 2/7 t n power 3. Fine. Also, we do the same game. So what
Okay.
we do first? Let's
Find
try.
the smallest one.
So what is smallest one? So if you're not sure, you use your calculator to
Yeah.
put in. Okay, let's go. Satisfy the number. So that's what? 0.2.
So 1/3 is smaller.
How do you know? You can't just say this smaller. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah.
So which is smaller?
2/7.
The other one is what?
Other
So
one
this
was-
0.3, right?
Yeah, that was 0.3.
Okay, let's go.
0.33333.
Which is this one, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, this one?
That one was 0.333 and this one is 2 divided by 7. So this one is smaller.
Okay, so this smaller. So
Yeah.
since it's smaller, what we're gonna do?
Write that one out. 2
Okay,
7.
okay, let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna have it. Don't want to right 1/. This will be 1/3. Which is smaller one?
2/7 is smaller.
Are you sure or you guess?
Yeah, see.
Okay,
That's
so this
the
2/7 is 0.80 and the other one? Okay,
Other one
very
is
Yeah, they
Okay,
only got
so this is-
something on me.
good. What is that?
she wants to go for some other something.
For next time.
Huh?
I need to eat some like this.
Okay, I don't think it's something else. Yeah, if something has to do with the book, that's fine, you can go. Okay, so. Do you understand what I'm saying? So, these are what? Smaller numbers. So,
Yeah.
check what?
2
So
over
what?
7.
7, 8. And then,
Bracket.
so since this number smaller went out, so what we're going to do with the number now?
You're going to divide it to divide the bigger one by the smaller one.
Not big. You divide it by the one which goes out for
Yes.
each one.
Okay.
So divide now. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's
Yeah,
not a big or
yeah,
small. So divide by the one you take each one of here divided by the one which you have.
2, 7.
Listen. Check what you have. The one went out must be underneath
Okay.
or after. Do you understand? And hold on, listen to this. I want you to play the understand. If you don't understand, let me know. Understand is very important. Do you understand what I mean, right?
Yeah.
When you guess and you make mistake, or you can make mistake over and over, it's dangerous.
Okay.
Okay. So how are you gonna do? Do you take this divided by this, or this divided by this?
So you're saying that
Which is gonna be first, this or this?
this one's going to be first.
You confuse me. Look, you say 2 divided by 5, or 5 divided by 2. That's what I'm asking. Are we gonna put this face or this face?
You're going to put this one first.
No. These gotta be face. It's like it gotta be under.
Okay.
Divided by 2 over 7 divided by 2 over 7.
Okay.
Do you understand what I'm saying? Yes. So these gotta be under. So we take this, divide by this.
Yeah. So
You understand?
okay. 5 by 2 over 7 equals to 7 over 6.
Okay, so you put your bracket. So for the face one, this is for the face on the second one.
Yeah.
This for the face one, for the second one. For the face one.
Okay.
Do you understand your number?
Yeah, I'm following.
So you put your bracket. But make sure you put letters. So you're gonna write what here? Let's go. Which one?
This is example.
What you gonna write?
Do you also need exam pad?
No, I have a
book,
blue book
okay.
here.
You need the extra one?
It's more than enough.
You got enough?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
So we worked out.
So did you divide?
Yes.
So think. Okay. Look, my man. You're good, you know, brain, but I want you think more than just do. Okay?
Okay.
I want you to use brain more.
Okay.
Than just write your brain. You know what I'm saying? Because when you do without thinking a little bit, you're gonna do wrong stuff and then you know your work and then you lose marks. So you divide, you get your answer.
Okay.
What did you do with it?
Nothing yet.
So think now, which way you're gonna write, or what I'm gonna do with my answer, or where I'm gonna write.
I'm thinking I'm not. I don't see here.
Why? Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure? Or you guess, or you're not sure?
I'm guessing.
Then that's very good. I like that.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I'll tell my students, I like when somebody honors me, because also help me to know how to help you. You know what I'm saying, right? So look, which number did I divide by 2 over 7? Which number?
That number, so I'm gonna write it here.
Yes.
Okay.
Are you with me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Always
Yeah.
tell me if you feel like, no, I think Hamish, I'm guessing or don't understand.
Okay.
Rather than just guessing. Guessing is the ways things to do. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. So you're gonna write where you divided.
So
Okay.
7 over, is that 6?
Yeah, 6.
7 over 6.
Okay. So you do the same game. So you divide it here, and then you have to.
Divide it here.
Yes.
That one again.
You know which one to start with all the time.
Yeah, always.
Okay. So which is gonna be top? So which is gonna be top? This or this?
That one's gonna be on top.
Very good. I thought you can do sports at school. You can't even open this.
Something to chew, eh?
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
This
I'm a sweet mouth.
No, this is very good.
This one equals
Thank you so much.
This one equals to 1.
Yeah, one, very good. So you're done with it?
Yeah.
Number. Let's go for the next one.
So for the next one.
So it's gonna be what? A letter now. You do the same game letter.
Yeah.
So you think now. Think every time. So we
Okay.
got 2 letters. Just like we got 2 number. So how you look? You look there? Small.
Number.
So between this and this, you think which is small. The same game.
This one is smaller. So I write this one out.
Very good.
T2.
Yes. And then
Okay.
you do the same game, and then after that, you have to know which you divide by which.
I divide this by that one.
I want you to think. I don't say wrong or right. Do you feel that you say correct, or you want to take another try?
I'll go for the trial.
Okay, try again, think. You gotta know which is gonna be on top. How did I put the face on top of it?
So I took the smallest one and I put it.
Which is gonna be on top, which is gonna be at the bottom, like how we did here. Look, tell me, Hamish, this on top, this at the bottom. Just like how we take one numbers.
So that one's gonna be on at the top.
Yeah, it's the same game, very good. It's the same
Okay.
game. It's hard.
No.
It's the same game, okay? Let's go. It's gonna be on top. Very good. Over. This on top and this one went out is gonna be at the bottom. The answer equal to? Very good. Put it in.
So it's 1.
Yeah. Yeah, multiply by
Okay.
1.
Okay.
Like multiplication. Just multiplication. Like multiplication.
A dot there.
Yes. Now do the same game. Let's continue.
And then it's 2t. So this is the one that we're dividing by, so it's going to equals to t5 over t2 equals to t.
Did you finish? Did you color it? You got it right?
Putting that one to the other one.
Okay.
t.
Okay. Did you color? Okay. Very good. So you understand how to do a double graph, right? You get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Put your answer. Very good.
And then it's m3.
Oh, very good. So you know how to handle it. Okay. Very good, my man. Very
And
good.
then it's m8 over m3 equals to
Cheers.
m8
Cheers.
765.
Cheers. Cheers, man.
Cheers, man.
Cheers, man. You gotta get ready for competition. The score and Melissa is coming to you. Get ready. You get it right.
m3 over m3 equals to 1, and it's just 1.
So now final answer.
Final answer. So it's 207
Yes.
t2 m3 brackets 7 over 6 m over 5 minus
Thank you. The same game we do.
t3
Very good.
finish.
So you see how easy? The hard?
Yeah,
no,
it wasn't hard.
the principles are the same, right?
Okay, understand.
Now I'm saying, okay, now let's come here. So I can pick any of these ones, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, another thing, let me show you your face. Let me teach one thing and
Okay.
then come back.
Okay, cool. I'll just rest a little.
Okay. Now I think I should just give you a
Just
little more.
one more.
And then I give you while you're busy writing,
Okay.
and I can really focus.
Okay.
Let me give you one question. So now it's in pair, write 3 equations about this graph in pair. Where is that? Let's go. In pairs, write 3 equations about this graph. Swap with pair and answer each of the equations. So this in pair, like this is a first pair, this is a second pair, this is a third pair, and this is a fourth pair, that's a fifth pair. So the same pair, huh?
There are 6 pairs.
That's 6 pair. So in pair, write 3 equations about this graph. So how many pair you got? 6 pair. Okay, now come here. Okay, draw the bar graph of this. So this one, since they don't write anything, means you're gonna say what? So you see, the 6 month. So we're gonna write number, vehicle, braking suit number. So we're gonna have what? First month, second month, third month, fourth month. Do you understand what I'm saying? Even if you don't have a frequency there, I can have a pencil. It's gonna be what? Oh,
It's cool.
Apologies.
That's fine. That's
So here we're gonna say what? January or first month, second month. Do you know what I'm saying? So they did not give us all the months, but we can write them. Do you understand, name? Okay, write it. Write it.
Was I right with you?
Yes, please.
Was I like this?
So first you gotta look.
That's fine. I just need to figure it out.
How do you say? Over period of
6 months.
vehicle, braking street.
No, it's fine.
Okay, so these are data.
That's fine.
You understand? These are what?
This,
And this one?
that's the delta
And this one?
sequence.
It's not data because they're both.
Yeah. So
But then month you're gonna write January, February, March, data. Are you with me? Because this is number of vehicle. Number switches vehicle breakups.
these two are the same things. In other words,
This is no double bar graph.
Yeah.
Not double bar. It's double bar. It doesn't look like double bar. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because this one look. They give you school. Are you with me, right? But this one didn't give you. They didn't say the number of vehicle. Here is not number of vehicles. Number of the street. Do you understand? So it's number one bar graph. This will be our data. This will be our frequency. Do you understand, nayeemah, or no?
Can you say it?
Okay, I'll say again. You see, like if it's for double bar graph, right? What is double bar graph? You have it. Number of household. Number of household. It must be the same. Okay. Look at it. This is what number of teacher. Number of teacher. So teacher. And then school. Are you with me? What about this one? Number of vehicle, but this number of the street are the same.
No.
So this is going to be normal single bar graph. Meaning this is going to be our data, and this is going to be our frequency. Do you understand that? And you have to look what is your biggest frequency, which is what? 12. So you think how I'm going to go if it's 12? I can go 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Or 3, because 2 is going to be only 6. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You see, so for you to do double bar graph, it must be the same name here. Number of household. Male teacher, female teacher. Do you understand? But what about this one? Is a number of vehicle. This number of the street. So two different things. Okay, so let's try that one. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay. Okay. These are their opponents.
Yeah.
This called difference to 2 square.
The difference of two squares.
You know it? Let me show you now.
Okay.
So for difference to square, are you fine, nayeemah? So is it double? It is double. Huh?
I'm sorry, you're right. I should just write the numbers.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you: it is double or single bar graph?
Single.
How did you know that?
No.
No, I'm confused. Is it? How did you know that? Tell me.
Because yes, it don't tell you vehicle, but that yes, the number of vehicle, number of streets.
Yeah, so difference. Yeah, so that's going to be what? Single bar graph. What about this one? Double, single.
Double.
Why?
Number of households. Number of households.
So the same thing. So I'm saying, you get it right? So now let's go. So difference of 2 square.
Yes.
So how you do difference to square? If somebody give you, let's say, a square minus, what is difference? Difference meaning you minus.
Okay. The difference.
So we say a square minus, let's say, b
Square.
So what that means? That means you're going to say put bracket,
Okay. Oh, okay. I see.
and then you write the first letter, which is a minus b, and then you do the same thing. It's going to be a
and B.
plus b, you plus.
That's
As long
plus
as
the same.
a square minus b square. Do you
Okay.
understand? For example, somebody give you 64 x square minus y square. So first of all, I'm going to have to write in a different 2 square thing.
Okay.
So it has to be like this. So this is 64. What is 60? 64 means what? 80 square.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yes.
And this is going to be 8 square, and this is going to be x square. So I can
Yeah.
put all them in 8x square.
Okay.
8 square, 64, x square is x square
Okay.
minus. This is just what? Square. Do you
That's
understand?
great. Okay.
So now, okay, so this one I know. I always say the first one, which is 8x,
Okay.
and then minus what the second one.
Okay.
And I'll do the same thing, 8 what? X plus y.
Oh, okay. Then you need to answer like that.
This is different to square.
Yes.
Did you understand? or
Yes,
not?
I understood it. So you can just like run by one or two more
25
examples.
y square minus what? Minus, let's say, 4 x square. So this is different to square. So I'm saying what that means. Because let me go start. 25, everything that has to be in square. So 25 means what? 5 what? 5 square. And this is y square minus. What is 4? 4 is 2 square. This is x square. So that means these, both of them has been single square. So let me say what? Let me say 5y, both of them square minus what? 2x, both of them are square. Okay, so since both of them are square, so I can put in as a difference to square. Means the first one
5y.
minus the second one, and the first one, and then we plus the second one.
Okay.
Did you understand?
Yes, I understood that.
So it's a difference to square. Should I
That's,
do it
that's the
again?
difference. Yes,
Different
one
to
more, just
square.
one more
Okay, no
example.
problem. Until when you feel comfortable, let me know.
Okay,
to try
okay,
it.
okay.
But the important thing is I want to see you try to be accurate, just as the base you cook.
Okay.
As I just want to see how could you push as much as you could.
Okay.
That's a very important thing. And work on accuracy. Let me try.
Accuracy.
Rather than just start like 2 2. It is 5. I don't know. Just try it if you make mistake.
Okay.
So now we got Z power 4. Let's say 9 minus, let's say 49. So we do the same game. Let's say putting different to square.
Okay.
So now what in face of I have to put everything is a square. So what's 9 meaning? Is a square. Which number is square equal to 9?
Which number is square equal to 9? 3 to the power of 2.
So 3. So everything must be square,
Square.
square. So there's going to be 3 power 2. And this power 4. So I don't need is a power 4. So this meaning is going to what? Z square power 2. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
Do you get it?
Everything to the power of 2.
Everything must be the power 2. That's
Okay.
the difference of 2 square. Square, anything has to do with it? 2. Minus, what is 49? Which
49.
number? Square equals 49.
8. Oh.
Think a little.
6 to the power of
Times table now.
times table. Yeah.
49.
49. I really need to go over my timetable.
49, which number? When you multiply by 7, you get 49.
7 times 7.
7.
Okay.
So, try to push, man. See, she's
Okay.
a little girl, man, so you
Okay.
can improve something. I know you're good, you're very excellent.
Yeah.
But I probably you haven't practiced for some time, but make sure you,
Practice.
because it's not gonna be good in exam. You have to start 3 square, 5 square, 6
Okay.
square. Yeah. So try to put yourself in mind.
Yeah.
So 49 means what?
7 to the power.
Square.
Okay.
So since everything is in square, so I'm gonna put everything in a single bracket. So I'm gonna say, okay, this is gonna be what? Everything in a single, like all these. Are you with me?
Yeah, yeah.
So this gonna be 3
3.
in what term? Z square. You do you know what I'm saying? But all of them are square minus
Okay.
what? 7 what? Square.
Okay. And then you're gonna write it out
And
like
then
that
write
now.
out like, okay, first one without square, which is 3 Z square, and then minus 7, and then we're gonna go 3 Z square, and then what? Plus 7.
7.
Did you understand or not?
Yes, I understood that one.
Okay, so there's another thing also. Oh, let me just give you one. You're fine.
Yeah, yeah.
This one, okay. 7 G square minus 81 X square. That's the first one. And another one.
Okay.
49, so this is 49. It's 49, so this is 49. Okay, just do that one. If you got it, then you go. Are you done?
Okay, so the way you need to do it.
Yep. Done. It's good. Well,
Okay, so you know the background flag, huh? Very good. Okay, so now let's go. So we're gonna have to do some of this stuff. Let me show you some of the paragraph, some of the information here.
and I have to do double diagram.
Okay, so let's do this on question 2. So the question 2 is equal 20 what? Grade 7 learner. We have to indicate so number. So that's a frequency. 20 grade 7 learner. What does that mean? That's gonna be frequency. Do you understand?
So 20 is the
20 of them means the maximum is 20 grade 7 learner. We have to indicate their favorite soccer teams. Like, oh, say what is your soccer team? What is your favorite soccer team?
I need to make it
Real Madrid.
No.
Why you speak? Why you wanna put
I
more
don't
work
know.
on the
Manchester United.
Manchester United? And here in South Africa,
No goal.
here in South Africa, what is your favorite team?
None.
None. Okay, so you don't like your team from your country?
No.
Oh, come on. Why you don't like your stuff from home?
One
What is that?
They never win.
Which one? Huh?
They never win.
Which one is that?
She doesn't know.
Oh, you forgot the names. Huh? Okay, cool. No problem. You're gonna tell me that next time. So let's go. So they say training grade 7 learner were asked to indicate their favorite soccer team. The results were as follow: Kaiser Chief 6, Marmelo Sundown 8, Orlando Pirates 2, Super Sport United 4. So we can draw bar graph here. Because what are these? 6, 8, 2, 4. These are frequencies, number of goals. And these going to be what? Data.
Yes.
Do you understand what I'm saying? So you can draw, right? So your frequency is going to be 2, 4, 6, 8. So draw a bar graph represent this information. So bar graph represent this information. I'm going to say what is going to write here down is the data.
Kaiser Chief.
So you're going to go Kaiser Chief. Okay, I think you can do this. Let's go.
You know your
thank you.
something your data.
Thank you. Cool. So you're saying give into square, right?
Can you
So
give
sometime-
Can you give like 1 or 2 more examples?
Okay, cool.
So,
So
not
sometime-
examples. Some things.
Sometimes they're not going to give you this. They're going to give you this, and then you have to go back. For example, somebody's going to give you m minus 3t, and they're going to give you m plus what? 3t. So it's like they give you this, you have to go back. So what happened? How did you get here? Means the first one was square, and the second one was square. That's why you got this. So if you want to go back, so I say the first one what? What?
M
Square,
squared.
and then we minus what? The second, which is the same thing you can see.
Okay, so it's
3t what?
Squared.
Square.
Okay.
And you can simplify, you can say this equal to m square minus what? 3 square equal to 9, and this can be t square.
Okay.
So you can go backwards.
Yeah. Give. Can you give one
Both,
more?
yeah,
Like
yeah, both
two.
ways, Okay, so now we
Get
got
this
4,
thing down.
4 m power 4 minus 36x square. That's the first one. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, the second one is going to be 3x minus 3x minus y square 3x plus y square. Let's go.
Okay.
I can put all
Very good. And now you go for what for? For that one. Let's go.
this.
Yeah, because we're going to have to write figures. So these are teams. These are what are? Favorite soccer team. Because we got to really, how did I say? Look here. Favorite soccer team. So here's going to be favorite soccer team. Do you understand or not? Okay, very good. I'm gonna give some
Yeah.
pad there. Melissa, you want some pad? Nayeemah. You see, I was confused by student. The other time, yesterday I was saying Melissa, Nayeemah, Lisa. I say, and then she look at me and say, oh, sorry, Melissa. Sometimes I confuse the names. Okay, Nayeemah. So I'm gonna have a piece of cake. Nayeemah,
Yeah,
cake for you.
Shit.
You know him, it's like.
Red velvet.
Wrong. You take everything in a square without square. You take 2, and here what you're gonna take?
Can you repeat that? What you said now?
Look here. You only leave these square.
Okay.
So if you leave these 2 square, what you're gonna have here?
Wait, I'm so confused. Like really.
What you do? You're not gonna take this. So it means you're gonna
Yes.
take these and
This.
these.
Oh, okay. I see. I didn't do.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You only did the square.
Okay, I didn't do that.
Remember, you got it? Okay.
So,
Oh, okay, I see. Minus, plus, and then it's this 6 to the power of x and 6 to the power of x. 2m squared times 2m squared plus 4m squared, 6x squared times 6x, so that is 6x2. Number 2. 2 is equals to 3 minus 9 squared. 3x plus y2.
I didn't even ask him about the die.
What?
Was us?
I'm gonna time that.
The time? What was the time?
Nice. Don't worry about it. Do you understand, right?
I do.
X2.
Why don't you put exactly and then put square and then you're gonna give answer there?
What do you mean?
You know wrong, but you know steps and
Yeah,
sometimes
steps.
so that you know
Steps
what
could work. So
What I did, I'd say take everything,
okay.
put your square minus, take everything,
Just
square. Take exactly square, and then after that you can simplify this and this.
Okay.
So that you're not gonna make what me?
Yes,
Mistake. Don't do straight away, which is not wrong, but you know you don't wanna make mistake.
So you started off with 3x2.
Put bracket. Brackets are very important. When you put here 2 means that square is only. Oh brother, you very careless. You know that you're bad. You know you're mad, but you're very careless.
Okay.
When you say I'm gonna take these and then I put in the house,
Okay.
you do exactly like okay, this one come in and I put my bracket. Okay.
Sorry.
Step by step, so say.
Bracket.
Yes.
3x. Wait. Oh, okay. I see where I made a mistake. I put the 2 inside the bracket when it was supposed to be out.
You take exactly, put bracket and then square. Don't write other one, okay? Let's go.
I made you perhaps have here, is it?
Just write this fine. That's it.
Okay.
That's it. Let's go.
3
That's what I'm
x bracket 2. And it's minus
Yes.
y bracket 2.
Why you very careless? She can do it. I mean, you gotta be careful sometimes. It's not that you don't know. You very, very careless.
Okay.
Is take this one right here. You pretend, man. Come on. It's not magic. It's not mathematical. It's like take it, and after that, take exactly what you have. Put bracket, write square outside. What you doing now? Okay. Do it again. Look, what do you have there? Put it square.
Okay.
No other magics. Write what you have. Put bracket square. Okay. Now let's go. Let it go.
Bracket, right?
Say what you see. Say what you see. Say what you. Let's go. Let's go.
And then it's
Now, Melissa can. You want me to ask her? She can prove to you.
I don't mind. You can ask. I don't mind.
Okay, so listen, right? You're good, but a little careless. If you don't understand how I mean. This is the right.
He's just confused.
Huh?
He's
Yeah,
confused.
it's true what you say. Like you know your stuff, but it's like try to follow the steps. You see,
Okay.
like she do lower fret, but can you see when you take something like take a little calm down, right, and get the key words. What the key says. Now I have this.
Yeah.
I wanna move back.
Okay.
I'm gonna do my Okay, so I have it. So this is like right hand side of different 2 square. So if you wanna move back, what I'm gonna do?
Square it. But the same steps that you told me to do for the one before.
So This is what I have. I want to go back.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can see. So what you want to do? Take the face one,
Okay.
please, square. Don't do other magics.
Okay.
Take the face expression square. What is my face expression here?
That's is your first expression.
You take exactly. However is in there, you take exactly. Please don't start to
Okay.
take out, in. You take everything which in here in the face one, right here. If it has a Q, it has a P, take exactly that group.
Okay.
And then put square outside. Take exactly. Don't change, please. Don't start to say, oh, so now am I square or nah? Do I square here? Do I take out? No, I'm confused. Take exactly, put it in square,
Okay.
and then we minus. And then write your bracket. What do you see there?
P.
If it has anything exactly, take in here,
Okay.
and then write square. You can even do like this. And then what do I see here? B. But if it has a square, you take it exactly. You
Okay.
take it and you plug it.
Okay.
Did you understand?
Yeah, I understood that.
So now we come here. Are we moving back or we move forward here?
We're moving back.
We're moving back. So
Okay.
what we're gonna do? Check. So how we say?
Take the number exactly,
What is that?
which is M
M. And then we'll say
Square.
square. Then minus. And the second one.
3T squared.
So what you gonna do here? What is gonna come here in here?
3.
Hmm?
3.
What is gonna come here? What is gonna come here? The first number is M. What is the second number here is gonna come in? Just look at it. What is the second number?
3T.
It's obvious. You don't even calculate. She was not even a part of the lesson. I say take exactly. Zubeir is not calculation. Hey, if somebody say take this, calculate exactly. Don't take out this cover. Say no, I have a cover. It's not mathematical. Take exactly, put in, and then square.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Try to follow the rules. You good, but I try to follow the rules. It's very simple. Is that okay?
Okay.
Yeah, don't do other stuff. When you do other stuff, you make it all harder for yourself and you start to complicate yourself.
Okay.
Simple. Please take exactly, put in. What is exactly here?
3. Take the whole thing.
Which is
3T.
3T.
T.
If it has anything, take exactly.
Okay.
You see, I put a bracket face and then you put your square. She was not even part of it. So try to get a keyword. Listen, so now we come here. So now, let me see how you're going to do. You have to know you move forward or backward.
I'm moving backward.
Okay, let's go. Explain.
Take the whole number. Bracket squared minus bracket y2 squared.
Okay, very good. So make sure all the time you take the whole.
Yeah. The whole number.
So you can simplify now.
Simplify.
Okay, continue.
Then I do the same
My
thing
brother,
here.
you gotta think. Are you moving forward? You move backward.
I'm moving backward.
So if you're moving backward, what you have? Look here in the formula. When you move backward, look what you have there.
That's the answer.
So then, take a little second, think, right? When you start to look over, say the answer is not an answer, you're never gonna get something right, okay? Look at your formula. What's your formula?
Yeah.
What's your key formula? What is your key formula?
Here.
Zubeir, think and look. Think and look, right? What is your key formula?
Key formula.
The formula that you use all the time, the actual formula. This is your formula.
Yeah.
This is your key formula. So how do you go back from that formula?
By using
Just tell me from here to there, from here. How you move back?
that times.
Do not state the stuff which does not exist, but you good, but try to look and think we can move quick, my brother. Okay? You good, you're not bad. Don't say if you don't understand. Look, what is your formula?
Here.
Okay. How would you move back from when? Tell me, from here to there or from here to there? How do you move back?
To move back from here
Yes,
to there.
to there. So you know the final answer when you move back.
Yeah.
So it has to look like that.
Okay.
Okay. Are you moving forward or move back to here? Do you move forward or move back?
We move back.
Okay, so do you do something else or we stop there?
We stop there.
Okay, very good. So you need to get that key. You know what I'm saying, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so before you do some time, try to take a little second.
Okay.
Okay, so now you say, okay, so this is my final. When you move back, that's the final. Means this is a forward one.
Okay.
So you move back. Okay, so now this is my final, but it's not go too late. Like I can simplify. 5.
Okay.
3 square.
Which is 9.
You don't say you square each one because you
Okay.
can simplify 5.
Okay.
So now it's gonna be.
So it's going to be 9 x squared
Very cool.
minus. What is this answer?
Think.
I am thinking. Minus y squared.
Did you think? Did you guess? If I ask you simply.
I guess.
So how you gonna get an answer if you guess? You're not doing well. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I normally.
When you guess, you waste your time. We're not moving. Means you can't finish. You need to look and think a little bit. Look what you have and see how do I get it.
So I have a y squared brackets squared.
Okay, what you gonna get? Think. Take a look.
You're gonna get 1. I'm
Did you
gonna
do? Did you guess?
guess.
Don't guess. Take even little second. Make your brain work. How can I get something here? You can write this idea. What is meaning? I'm gonna get it. Like all I want to try to push him so that you can think outside it. Box.
I'm confused at this point.
Okay. Nayeemah. Somebody give you y 2 times 2. What is 2 times 2? 4. How you confused? That's what I'm saying, right? This is my y. This is my y. That's what I'm saying. The key point is try to do what you see. Do you understand? It's
Okay.
okay, right? You cool. But try to do what you see. Don't answer using general idea. You're very smart. Trust me. Take a little second thing. What do you have here? This is y, and this is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 equal 2. Do what you see because you can answer using general idea. They're not gonna be the same. Other times it's gonna be 7 times 8.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay.
Y, and what do you see here? 2 and 2. So what is 2 times 2 equal to? 4. Done. So that's my final answer. Do you understand
Okay.
or not? Let me give one.
Give 1 here.
Okay. So you have to know where you're going forward or backward. You gotta finish this, man. This is,
Okay.
should be done in 10 minutes.
Okay.
We got a lot of stuff that we gotta get done. Okay.
Okay.
Now. Okay. So. You understand? Okay. So you have to know whether you're going backward and bracket or forget. So you can do this, alright? Okay, let's answer this one. So here, we didn't finish. Did you get it?
Yeah, got it.
Very good, my man. So you know the business, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, very good, yeah. I like that. Okay, just one question. Okay, look here, right? So we didn't finish it. Well, which one do you do this around the past? So in pair, write question about this graph. So the question we're done already. So question is going to be like this. In pair. So what it is? This is going to be Kaiser Chief, Mamelodi. So you write all in pair. So here's going to be what? Favorite soccer team on top. And here's going to be frequency. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's going to be, do you understand what I'm saying? Means you want to write what? Write what? Questions. Write 3 questions about this one, about the graph in pair. Write what? Question about this graph, swap each pair, and okay. So we're going to say what? So we're going to write in pair now. So let's say in pair, write 3 questions about this graph, swap with pair and answer each question. In pair, write 3 questions about this graph. Okay. So I can write my pair. This could be what? Favorite soccer team. Favorite what? Soccer team. What is the favorite soccer team? Kaiser Chief. I want to write as a questions. write the equation. Kaiser Chief, and the next one is going to be
You need not do that.
Orlando, Mamelodi Orlando. Mamelodi. And the next one is going to be Orlando. And this is Super Sports. Do you understand what I'm saying? So what is Kaiser Chief? 6. So what is it? 6 is the frequency. No, results. Which is frequency. Do you understand, Melissa? Name or no? Do you understand name, right? Okay, this is what is frequency. Which is going to be what? 6. And Mamelodi is what is 80. And the next one is going to be 2. And this is going to be 4. Like you want to write as a question. So you need to read favorite soccer. You see, do you understand Neymar? Favorite soccer team, and these are what are result. Do you understand or no?
I understand.
Okay, draw this on the last one. There we go for high soccer.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, sorry. So you know different to square, right?
Yeah.
Now, this is a different of 3 numbers now.
Okay.
I can ask this stuff. No, they don't ask. I'll ask you to show you this next time.
Okay. But this is our last lesson.
I think we have one more, right?
She has one more. I'm done with maths in this week. So
Oh.
I'm gonna come next week.
Okay. 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 So you know what I come for programming. So
I don't know. Still
Okay, no
thinking
problem.
because
okay.
I know what the plans for next Saturday.
Okay.
Okay.
So IQ minus what minus EQ.
Yeah, because
You're not serious.
next time.
You're not serious for sure. Facts. Especially when it comes, for learning, you gotta dedicate
But
yourself.
I wanna come for coding though because I need to learn that. So
Minus,
Okay.
yeah.
So if it's cube, this is what you do. So first of all, you wanna get the whole form. So the whole formula, how you say? So when it's cube, it's different. It's not like the first one. So you say, if it's cube, you write here A. If it's minus, you write also minus.
Okay.
Do you understand?
I'll follow you.
Minus and minus.
Nice.
And they say A minus B. And here you're gonna write A square, and this over B square. And this one, write A minus B, and then A square, B square, and then here write out A B.
B. Okay.
And then here everything's gotta be, here must be
Yeah.
plus, and here must be
Mine.
plus.
Both pluses. Okay.
Both plus here. So let's go. So we say a cube. Just me so.
That's cool. You wanna turn your data off now?
Because this one I use empty, it takes a lot of old data all the time. We can just finish. Oh no. Okay, so if it's minus, you say what? A minus B, and you say A square, A B square, and then you write A B and then plus plus plus.
Okay.
So again, so X cube minus what minus Y cube. So I'm gonna say what? X, and then minus must be
Y.
minus. And then
Okay.
you do the same thing. It's gonna be what? X
X
square,
and Y
Y
squared.
square, then X
Y.
plus plus.
Okay, cool. I
But
understand that.
easy.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
somebody give, let's say 27 X cube minus 1 minus P cube. So we're gonna do the same thing. Let's say 8. So face this, we know if this is cube, everything must be in cube, just like a square. Do you understand what I'm saying? So what happened? This conversion is gonna be 3. Did I teach you hyperbola? Turning points.
Hyperbole.
Yeah.
No, but we're getting to that point now because that's coming in on Monday's test. So after this, we're gonna go over that hyperbola.
Oh, you have a paper too.
Paper 2. Yes, I
Only
have
one
paper 2.
When?
It's the paper 1 is on Monday, and then paper 2 is on Thursday.
Oh, so okay, I see. So if Lucky is not outside, I can try to talk to.
If
Probably
you can
before
come
his
over.
video.
Yeah.
So I can help you guys. Okay. So we say since this is 27, and remember this is cube and cube, so you're not gonna say like 4 square.
Okay.
So everything must be cube.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yeah, I'm with you. I'm listening.
So your mind gotta be very sharp. Like this is cube, so it must be what? 3 cube and x cube. It's gonna be 3 cube, and it has to be x cube, and this h it must be 2 what? Because h is 2 cube.
Okay.
And then what? P cube. So this time I say 3 x Papa cube.
No. Good question. Why did you say 3 cubed?
Because the formula say everything must be in cube and everything must be in cube.
Oh, okay. I see.
So what is 27? Which number when you multiply by the same thing?
Oh, it's
You
3
get
times.
27.
Oh, 3 times 3 times 3. Okay.
So you gotta know your formula. Like if this is cube, means it has to be 3 times 3 times 3.
Yeah, yeah.
Excuse me. And this h, so h is gonna be 2 times 2 times 2,
2.
20.
Which is 8. Okay, I see.
And you put in a single bracket now, cube, and this is gonna
Yeah,
be 2
I
what?
see.
P what? Cube. Okay, so I know my formula.
Yeah.
So my formula say face 1 minus the
Second one,
second
2p.
and then you take the face 1 square, so it's gonna be 3x square,
Okay, 3.
which is gonna be, do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah.
It's gonna be
3x squared.
3x what?
Squared.
Square, and this gonna be what?
That's gonna be 2
2p what?
square.
Square, and then you multiply the middle one, like AB. What is A? This and this, so it's like 3x times what? 2p.
Okay.
A times b, so you plus it.
Plus.
So now we're done, so we can just simplify. These two is going to be 3x minus 2p. Then the 3 square, 9x square equal to x
x2.
square plus this and this going to be 6xp.
Okay.
And this going to be equal to 2 square equal to 4
p squared.
p square. So this one.
Okay, cool.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so that's how you do it. Okay, I'll do another one. So you gotta pay attention to this cube. Did you finish? Okay, very cool.
Okay, cool.
Did you understand? Okay.
Yeah.
Somebody give, let's see, okay, so you know the same game. So, okay, so since these are cube means even the number must be in cube. So what is 27? Which number cube is 27?
3
So you say 3 what? Cube, and this is going to be x cube minus what? Minus y cube. And this is going to give us what? 3x. No, so it has to be 3x what? Bracket,
Okay.
both of them is what? Cube minus what? Minus y what? Cube. And then we do the same game.
Okay, okay,
So it's
okay.
going to be what? 3x, the first one, and the second is going to be minus y. Take the face one square, it's like 3x what? Square, which is going to be 9x square. 9x square. Now we go, the last one, it must be what? The last one square, which is y. Y square equal to y square. The middle one, multiply these 2.
So
3x times y is going to be 3x y plus plus. You know what I'm saying? Okay, do this one. Did you understand?
Yeah, understood.
Okay. So somebody gets a 80 z cube minus 27 x cube. Let's go. So do the same thing. Do you remember the formula?
Yeah, I remember the formula.
Cool.
So
You understand this one, right? So this is bar graph. Let's go to 4. What is your exam?
3.
4. What is try? When is your exam?
Sunday.
Monday. Yeah. You also write on Monday. Okay, let's go.
Or Friday.
Another one Friday. Okay, let's go. So you understand how to draw this, right? Okay, now.
Instagram.
So now they give you this. Now they want you to answer what they? The answer. They give you what they? They have a bar graph. You come to high school ground face, you want to make sure you understand everything. So what did they do? Now they give you a bar graph, they want you to answer it. Read, how did they say it?
I miss is
8.
my eyes are a little
It's
getting
8.
messed up.
It's 8, yeah.
It looks like a 2 to me.
No, it's 8, man, sorry about that. It's
Okay,
8,
okay.
yeah.
So 8.
The double bar below shows the number of books read by learners of grade 7D in 1 month.
So what did you understand?
3.
How did they say?
The double bar graph below shows the number of books read by learners of grade 7D in 1 month.
What did you say? Lisa? So, 3.
The double bar graph below shows the number of books read by learners
Oh,
made by the learners of grade 70 in 1 month.
in 1 month. So what does that mean? Tell me now, what do you understand here? Meaning this one is what? Read.
Number of learners.
So it's a number of learners. How many of them? 0, dot, 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 dot. And these are?
Number of books read.
And these are?
Kids.
Which are?
Boys and girls.
So what do you understand with this color now? They say boys and girls. Boys and girls. Boys and girls. Who read a lot of books if you look careful? Quickly there.
Class 3.
Yeah. And who are reading a lot of books? Girls or boys?
Girls.
Girls. Because see the girls read about 9, right? 9 books I think. Oh, girls can read a books. I didn't know that. Okay. Okay. So now let's go to the question. They say read.
How many boys read 3 books or few this month?
Okay, so we go back to our graph. How many books? 3 books or few this month. Okay.
Class 1 and 2. No? Class 2.
How did you know?
3.
Okay, let's make sure, right? You're not wrong. I know you got it, but you wanna check what? Check it out again to see how many boys read 3 books or fewer this month. 3 books or fewer this month. 3 books or fewer. What the number of books? These are number books. So you need to read number of books. And how did I say? How many boys read 3 books or few this month? Shows me. So these are number of books. Can I have a pen? Number 4. Did you understand this one, right?
Yeah.
I'm saying.
Yeah. That's a ZX.
Yeah,
right?
it is right away. I better go.
Yeah.
You know what I'm
Cool.
saying?
Can I give me one example?
Yeah, I want to give
One more.
Yeah, so let me give me one
give
example
one
and come back to it. So this is for minus. So plus now is like this. If somebody give you A Q plus B Q, it's
Okay.
like this now. The same thing, but the sign is gonna change. So if
Okay.
this is plus, it must start with the plus also.
A
It's gonna be plus. It's gonna be plus B. If this plus must be plus.
plus. Okay.
And then you go okay. And then after that, we do the same thing. It's gonna be what? A square. And here's gonna be B square. It's gonna be A B.
Okay.
In your sign,
Plus and plus.
it can be plus plus plus. Remember that one chose minus and then plus plus plus.
Okay. So you
So
have to
this
look at the
plus-
signs first. Okay.
If this plus, right?
If that is
And then minus gonna be here. And this is plus. Just remember. Minus on there. No, sorry. Minus on there. Face on
and then plus for the
and
second
plus for
one.
the second one. Just minus for face on. Show it again.
So what if it's turned around?
You gotta be the face on is
Minus. Okay, I see. So I should first look at my sign before I do it.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
So it's plus Q minus B Q. It's gonna be equal to.
That's
Copy.
That's
A
gonna be
minus. We know this total, right? And then plus
and
plus.
then that's
plus,
gonna
plus.
be plus plus.
If it's plus, it must be there. Plus, let's say A square, B square, A, B para. First one must be
Minus.
And then you know the
Plus.
game is gonna be there. Same all over.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, let me ask you to do this. Okay. So if somebody give you 1, what is 1 meaning? 1 means like 1 what 1? Q. Because the thing must be what is 1 Q? 1 times 1 equal to 1. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yeah, so since
Okay.
it's not doesn't have a Q, you know, say okay, 1 means 1 what 1? Q.
So if I get a sum like this, I must always put the number that doesn't have over cubed. Like that's by cubed.
So you know in your formula you say it must be A cube and B cube. Do you know what I'm
Okay,
saying?
I see.
If it's not cube means you can't be able to do anything. But
Okay.
if it's 8, you're gonna say 2 power 3. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If it's 8, but since it's 1, we're gonna say okay, 1 means 1 what? Cube, and I put all this stuff in cube and also. Do
Okay.
you understand or not?
Yeah. I understand.
Okay, let's go. So do that one, the first one quick.
Okay.
And then after that do this one. So let me give you plus, and then do 8 Z cube minus what? Minus 27. Okay, so
Okay, cool.
And then after that do, because I saw a lot of them here. And then do this, do this, do. You see, all these boys didn't know how to do that. Do this,
Okay.
do this, do this, do
Is this
this.
like a
do
homework?
this.
Is this for homework or is it for now?
Okay, let's start to this one first.
Okay.
That's gonna be homework, no more about.
Okay, so I should like strap into this.
Do you understand? Did I give a question too? Oh, I was busy with you, right? Okay, make your hair face, make your hair. And there we go. Melissa and Cody, you gotta be prepared because Nayeemah, she been ready. She even have time to make her hair, so you can imagine how prepared she is. Don't tell me, oh, you didn't tell us. It became so quick. Now we don't know what to do, and it's like you told Nayeemah everything. She's selfish. Oh no, she work hard, huh?
Selfish.
Eh? It is how maybe they think maybe I'm selfish or you know something, and maybe I teach a lot of selfish. That's true. It's the same thing, but it's about hard working. They actually don't know how to do histogram. Just take yourself, right?
Oh, jeez.
Eh? Just one them. Just one them. Look at the cup. One them. Do you want to tell these? Do you want to tell them? You're afraid of them.
Yep.
You do afraid of them. Why are you afraid of Melissa and Cody? You afraid of them?
No.
So you just ready for competition? Huh? And plus we start coding today, programming today. You ready for it? Huh? You ready for it? I think she's not ready. You can see she can't even talk. Do you? Are you?
Yes.
Huh? Oh, she's afraid.
Yes.
You afraid? Oh, you ready?
Ready.
Okay, she's ready. So guys, you say, oh, she can't even talk, she can't even open her mouth because she's afraid of Cody and Melissa. No, she's not, guys. I mean, she's been studying so hard. And it's like everything's in place there. All those math and histogram and what did you do here? And what?
Bar graph, double bar graph,
Bar graph.
Instagram, and pie chart.
And pie chart. So you guys, man, so you can imagine the bar graph and what? Tell them. Tell them. And what?
Pie charts,
And
bar graph, double bar graph.
Nayeemah's not talking, so you know we can make video if you're not talking. Because I mean, people they're gonna say, "Oh, she's afraid." I mean, he's pushing her to talk, but she look like she's real afraid. So you wanna tell them or not?
Not.
Eh?
Not.
Okay, guys, she's afraid. It's okay. She's afraid. She's afraid. Do you wanna talk or not? Or you're afraid?
Shy. Shy.
You shouldn't. I mean, it's your time to shine. So when you got opportunity, you got to tell them, like, you know. So you ready or you not?
Or what?
Hey, listen, you're not talking. Nayeemah. And you know it's about video, so if you cannot talking, it's meaningless. You know, because it's about competition. So all these other children, they want to hear, like, what she got to say. I'm asking, you're not respond. So when you're ready, gonna make. I have to make
When
that.
is it these that to be on a video? I want it to have competition.
Okay, you got it? Okay, so the question. Okay, let's go for histogram.
Yeah, I'm
good?
Yeah.
Okay, so you must know minus and plus, right?
Yeah.
Histogram is very easy. What you do is okay, you have a max and frequency. It's more easy actually than the previous one. So what is your max? 22, 29, 32, 39. So how did it go? 22, 29, 32, 39, da 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 da. Oh, okay. So for that case, no, I think I'm wrong.
No, you're right.
Let me start from here. So for the histogram, first of all, they're gonna give you what is this? Stem and leaf. What? Stem and leaf. How they're gonna give you? Stem and leaf.
Oh, then
Yeah, this is stem and leaf.
I know how
Sure.
that works.
So stem and leaf, we have what? 22, 25, and what then? 28, and then you have it 30, 33, 39, 39, 30. Okay, so let's get all the data. So how many of them there's going to be? Okay, if somebody said, what is total frequency? What is total frequency going to be? 1, 2, it's going to be 3. Do you know something? You account all of them. So what is the first one? Let's write all the data. So it's going to be the first one is 22, the second one is
25.
25, and the third one is going to be 28. The second is going to be 30, and then 33, 39. You can write all of them. Let's go. Show me. Speed.
Speed. Yeah, I'm just. I think I read maths on Thursday, man. I'm not sure, man, because I know I read maths the Monday, then I have UGT on Tuesday, then I have it's a engineering topic, man.
Okay, it's fine. Let's do it and then we talk
Okay,
about it.
okay.
So all these are what? Data. So now, if you want to start to create your distribution table, I'll talk about distribution table, right? Distribution table. So how we call this? This is table. So we have to create what? Distribution table. So how are we going to make create distribution table? You look, what is the smallest max? 20,
22.
22, 28, and this is 32, 39, 43 to 47, 57. So now nobody's going to tell you how you should start with. If they give you like that, and then it's more easy. Like it's okay. So how did they give me from 20 to 29? So it's going to be, these are marks. So let's read how did they say. These are, what are these? These are marks of the student. Let's say these are marks of the student. So what's your marks? Your marks, and here what are frequency? Are you done?
Yeah, done.
Okay.
But if it's right though, so
You gotta know what is right, right? It's not, but you
Yeah.
don't know what is right, what's right, because
Yeah.
we know this topic. So if you're not sure, you can check your wax.
yeah, man.
Okay, check it out. You gotta be sure about your wax. Because if you know there's no mistake, try to if there is a mistake, try to check your wax. You got it has to be accurate. Let's go. So what's your mark? 20, 29. So the first one 22, 29. I remember. So now you look. So you do your histogram. You know when you do your histogram, you go. Hold it up. 20, 29, 30, 39, 40, 49. Da 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 da. But this graph. Did you check?
Yeah.
You happy with it?
Yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm
Okay.
happy.
Yes, you got it. See, 6x. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Okay, do this one first. Read it. Okay. Do question number. This.
Okay, well that's
This.
that.
Yeah. These two. So you need to put this power. Which number is gonna be what? 512.
Okay, that'll work out.
Know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, or you can do this. Say shift. Let's say 8. Do you know what I'm saying? You want to know which number power? 3 equal to 8. You see, give you 2. And it's okay. It's 2 power 3.
Okay.
Are you with me, bro?
Yeah.
So if let's say your number is what is 27. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
Oh, so my number 3. So it's like 3 bar 3. Are
Okay.
you with me or not?
Yeah, I'm with you.
You
Don't
got
worry,
it?
don't
Oh,
worry,
no.
I'm with you. I'm with you.
Okay, 20.
I see what you're doing.
64. The important thing is you to be able to do.
Okay.
So all is 4. So I'm going to say what? 4 power 3.
Yeah.
10 and a half by x bar 3. So it make what? Quicker for you
Okay,
to
makes
start
sense.
the
So
number.
if it's a bigger number, I know what to do.
You do that, yeah.
Okay,
Let's go.
cool.
Now,
You said K and
K,
I think
O,
KMM.
KMO, okay, that's all quick.
Okay.
These are all minus. I don't want all the minus. Okay.
There's pluses on the next side.
Okay. Then do this. Do this. This. Okay. Do this quick. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Excuse me. So let's start from 2029. So since start from 2029, you gotta be careful here. Okay. 2020, 29. So since 2029, name it right. So 20 you cannot start from here because before 20 there's what they say 20, 29, 30, 39 means choose 0 to 9, 10 to 19. Do you understand what I'm saying? So you have to look at number. So you chose 0 to 9. No, they go 20, 20, 20, 20. So it's not 0 to 9, it's 0 to 19. I don't know, they go 10, 10. It's 10, 10, right?
It's 10. It's 10.
Is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Do you understand?
So L.
Do you understand,
Okay,
nayeemah?
O.
If you look at how do they go from one number to is 9, 9, 9. So it has to be 0 to 9. They go by 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Means okay, let's start from here. This is gonna be 20 to 29. So if this 0 to 29, 20 to 29, and the first one should be what? 10 to
Okay.
19. Do you understand? No.
You're making me a little bit
Confused. Okay, let me go. So very good. I like that. When you tell, I like when you say I'm confused or what. Let's look at them. So 20 to 29. That's the first one. But should you start from here 2029? No, it's not fair because before 2029 it should be another numbers. But it has to go in the same range. Look, 60, 69, 70, 79. So what should be the first number? If this is 2029, before 2029, which number was it?
Not to 9.
And then after not to 9, so not to 9, after not to 9,
10 to 19.
so 10 to 19. So it has to be what? 10 to 19. So it's like 9, 9, 9. So 0 to 9. Here they go what?
That's fine.
10 to 19.
I know how to do it.
Hmm?
I know how to do it for Instagram.
You understand now, right? So you go what? 0 to 9. Why they say 10? Because this the thing is wrong. Because your minus is going to be 10. This is going to be. This one is okay. 11 to. No, this is wrong. Can you see? Because it has to be 9, 9, 9, 9. So this must be 0 to 9. And the next one must be what? Must be 10 to 19. And then must be 20 to 29.
L.
And this next one must be 30 to 39. And then 40 to 39. Okay, now let's go. 0 to 9, we have nothing. Now we go.
Okay.
10 to 19, nothing. Now you go what?
Okay.
30, 20 to 29. This is 20
3.
to 29. 3. So 3, let's see. What is maximum? 7. So you can go 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we say 20 to 9, 3. 20 to 9, 3. Now 30 to 39. So 30 to 39, look, if after 29 is always what is so? 29, 30 is like together. So 30, so you can put them together. To 39, need 39 somewhere here. 2 to 7. The next one, 40. So if this 39, 40 is going to be here very close. Do you understand? So 40, 42, 49.
That's
Just 4. There we go. 60. So you know how to do this. Okay, do it for me. Some question. Yeah, some question. Let's go. Is it paper one? This paper one.
I don't know if the other was
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Let's go.